Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another monthly update. This is gonna be for June. Last few months, I kind of came in late. We have so much going on. I'm trying to get this one done on time. I even made some notes. Every month, I do an update about the company. We post a video on our website. We post it on our careers page for people looking for employment. And we put it on here on YouTube and social medias to kind of give you an update what's going on. Well, let's see here. We have something new on the website. When you go to our website, even if we're here or not here, there's a pop-up down in the chat section that has quick responses. Could be you're just trying to find out how to return something. You want to become a dealer, checking on a shipment. So there's already some auto responses there, but guess what? Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time, you will get to talk to somebody live. But use those auto responses. And you know what? If there's an auto response you think would be worth it in there to save some time, send that over. You can text it to 737-BIG-JEFF, or you can email us at info@bigjeffonlineinc.com. That's INC, not like ink. All right, we'll leave it here somewhere around here. But you can text us, WhatsApp us, call us, or email us if you have any ideas for our website. Remember, we tried to build the website, make changes around the customer. So quick responses, check them out, use them, let us know what we're missing. We just came back from Made of Steel. Big shout out to John Hart. Man, it was awesome. I mean, we got rained on like holy hell, but I brought my team. We had over 20 of the employees there. Man, big shout out to my team. They really came through. We had a U-Haul. We brought product. A lot of stuff I probably will never do again. Like try to sell product. I don't even know what I was thinking, but man, we gave out so much stuff. I met so many people in person. Man, it was touching. And I don't mean that in a weird way. I mean that I had people come up that have been watching the videos or seeing the growth and finally got to meet me. People left reviews. They liked and followed us. We gave out shirts. We gave out Frisbees. We gave out water bottles of water. We gave out so much stuff, lanyards. We had stuff from Kicker and Rockford and DS18, and we had even stuff from Tapana. We had stuff from all the different manufacturers, and we're just giving. I got to roll around on the golf cart, took some video. My guys went ahead and did video interviews of all the base car show stuff. Man, it was great. We have our career page. Always looking for the new, brightest, and best in our Ocala area. It could be sales, warehouse, or online team, customer service. There's tons of positions. Just because we have them up doesn't mean we're just hiring every day. Always got to be ready. Sometimes things don't work out with people. Sometimes they do. Sometimes we are growing like now, and we're trying to find people for other departments, or we're adding people to it. I mean, just now we're about to hire a fifth CSR agent. We have 4 full-time plus one of ours that we moved over to the shipping. We have 4, 5, 6 online guys, and we're maybe bringing a new one over. So there's time where we are adding people. So we leave those up, and maybe you might not get hired right now, but maybe later on. Might be that you're looking to do a career change. I mean, there's so many things, but I've put videos up about the jobs. I've explained. It's like anywhere else. Everybody you work with right now, I bet there's very few places that don't have turnover or people that don't show up or come late. This is not McDonald's here. We are hiring particular people to do particular jobs long term. And right off the rip, after 60 days, you get dental, vision, accidental, and life insurance free. And then I also pay up to 80% of your health insurance. Can't be that bad, right? And everybody that starts here starts at least at $15 an hour or higher. And our minimum wage here in Florida is $11. So we're above that. And most everybody that's been here, after about a month or two, they're getting some sort of raise, bonus, freebie. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities or reasons to work here. Can't make everybody happy. And that is that. But we're doing giveaways every week. We keep hitting 1,000 subscribers, so we keep doing them every week. We are on 13K right now. By the end of the month, we'll be 14 and 15. That's that many subscribers on our YouTube. Thousands that we do. We're at like 71,000 Facebook followers. We got 33,000 TikTok. I mean, this is what makes the company run, is all the customers. We're just really launched in Reddit. So we got Anthony here writing things in the Reddit site. We have our podcast every week we're doing. Coming up on the podcast, we got Audio Pipe coming out there. We got Kicker with Andy, Hi-Fi Sound, John Ray with Trinity, and SoundCube, and his brand Sky High. We have DS18 coming, all of them on the show. I mean, we just did MechMan, which are alternators, and we had Ill from Cal's Custom. I mean, the podcast has turned out to be something that I really didn't want to do because I don't have the time, but I'm enjoying it now. It's so cool to get people like that on in an hour and get the information, and you guys and girls get to watch it. So that's been real cool. There's so much stuff going on. I'm sitting here recording this on a Saturday. I got our new creative or online manager, Taylor Orr, working on a sticker maker we got. I got Ben over here right now doing the videos. My CSR manager, Ryan, is working on stuff for the week. I have one of my office girls in here right now. So I got a great team. We're putting in the time. Tax season's over, so this is where it really shows all our hard work. Can we keep it through these slower months? Well, I guess, yeah. I mean, we got a huge following. We got lots of good customers. You shop or order with us, you get real live customer service. Yeah, we're not super techs here. We try to get you as much information as possible or find it out from manufacturers. But every order, we give something away. I try to give back. Even with my own employees, you know, everybody got some money to go to that car show. They got a free shirt to look brand new and fresh, and hats, and you know, all that stuff costs money, but I do that to make the company better. We just now offered all the dental, vision, life insurance, and accidental insurance for free. They used to have to pay for that, and we just bumped up paying 80%. I believe I invest in my employees, invest back, and yeah, sometimes I feel like I have to interview 100, the hire 20 to only get one, and that one is worth it. But then I'm scared because I got to go back through it all. But this is a company that built up 5 years out of my garage, and I'm still doing it 7 days a week. And if you haven't been here, come check us out. We constantly do live videos and walkthroughs so you get to see the place. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now, we have some major brands, and man, more coming. I'm excited. So this is June update. So much going on. I know I just put it all together, but it's to let you know this place is hopping every day, and show some love and understanding to the customer service agents you talk to. Show some love on these videos. Find it in your heart and you want to leave a Google review, we'll leave a link to that in the description. Give us 5 stars. Maybe you haven't even been in here or haven't even shopped yet, but you see what we're doing and you appreciate that. And maybe you might have something sent to you in the mail for free. I mean, that's how we do things. So, I'm Big Jeff coming to you with a June update, 2023. Wanted to say thank you to my employees. Thank you to my customers. Thank you to the loyal customers that have had my back. This is why I get out here. Sometimes I just want to crawl up in bed. I'm so tired working 15, 18 hours a day, 7 days, but I do this because of that. So we're still sponsoring Camry Caruso. I want to bring that up. She just won the first Call Out All-Star. I mean, 20-something years old, winning stuff like that. Huge trophies, Fox Networks. I even saw one of the chip brands. They have her on like the whole setup in Walmart. I mean, that stuff's crazy, and we're part of that. So check us out right now. The podcasts are Thursday nights, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. We might move that, but right now, check it out. You might enjoy the podcast. You might win something for free. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now. Like this video. Hey, and share it out. Maybe somebody you know might like to watch it too. I'm Big Jeff coming to you with another update, monthly update, June 2023. I'll see you next month.